Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Dr. Bilski from Bilski Dental Group. How are you doing today?
I'm great, good morning.
Good morning. So in this video, we're going to be talking about bridges. Specifically, how are those made?
Well, we have a video.
Okay.
And a lot of times easy to explain with video. As patients walk through the door, there are always alternatives or options that we try to give to replace teeth. And the big thing in dentistry now is dental implantology. However, it's a little more expensive sometimes, depending on the situation. So another alternative would be a permanent bridge is the term. We call it a fixed partial denture, a fixed bridge, cemented bridge. The old days, we used to have to put putty or clay in your mouth and take a mold or an impression. And most patients that have had that remember that it's a gagging type of, I can't breathe, what's going on.
The kind of stuff people don't like at the dentist.
Yeah, 4 minutes seems like 4 hours.
Yeah.
All right. The good news is, in our practice, we have technology with imaging by sticking a camera inside your mouth.
Wow.
And making a video, if you will. And then we can email it to a laboratory that they virtually make a dental model that was made from an impression, a putty mold with plaster, which was sometimes accurate, sometimes not so accurate.
Yeah.
And now we've been able to eliminate that and become very accurate with imaging, virtual imaging, computer. Send it to the laboratory. They do it on computer. They design everything. And there is a CNC machine that takes a block and mills out zirconia.
Okay.
And then if we request porcelain application to more like a smile design, which means make it look prettier, make it look really pretty. So primarily in the front teeth, you want it to look natural. In the back that is not seen as much, we can just go straight CNC milling. It's baked in an oven, glazed, sent back to us. So we can usually shorten the timing down, depending on patient schedules and what type of needs we have.
Right. And that's important to a lot of people.
And created all by computer.
Wow.
So if we could bring back dentistry that started 150 some years ago and sat across from a veteran doctor and have myself with a conversation, and I said something like, hey, what if I just took a picture of your teeth and sent it to the laboratory and have a bridge made? That doctor would just, there's no way you can do that, you know, and even if it was only 50 years ago, I could take a picture and send it to the laboratory so they'd have an idea what it's going to look like. That doctor may say, well, how do you send that picture? How long would it take to dial that?
Oh, right. Yep.
So, you know, we're really taking analog type of procedures, what you had to touch. Now we can just take a picture and send it through the air.
That's crazy.
And develop it within a dental laboratory that's sterile. It's as clean as any other hospital setting that you could ever imagine. And the laboratories that we use are all local. Everything's made in the U.S., which I'm a huge fan of.
Yeah, absolutely.
And the end results are perfect. So most patients are always asking, is it going to hurt, of course? Yeah. What is the cost? And then how long is it going to take? So if we can do it more swiftly, more accurately,
that's what everybody's looking for.
It's exactly right. So time is money. It's non-refundable.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, you know, it sounds like you really make it easy, and that process makes it so much more carefree for the patient, so they don't have to have that stress that a lot of people have coming to the dentist.
Exactly. The stress and the anxiety. Yeah. You can just see the body just kind of relax in the chair after you explain exactly what we're trying to accomplish.
How simple it is. We're just going to take a picture and we're going to take care of it.
You got it.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for telling me a little bit more about that.
My pleasure.
If you'd like to find out more about Bilski Dental Group, you can call them and make an appointment at the number on the screen, or you can visit them online at bilskidds.com.